How to enable or disable apply color palette to app icons on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. After click on wallpaper and style, you will see click on color palette and turn on this button. After turn on color palettes, if you want to enable or disable apply palette on app icon. If you want to enable apply palette on app icon, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see apply palette on app icon is enabled. If you want to disable apply palette on app icon, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see apply palette on app icon is disabled. You will enable or disable apply palette on app icons from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable app apply color palette to app icon on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.